Make sure you are feeling comfortable and relaxed, lying or sitting. Start with a few slow, deep breaths, breathing right down to your abdomen. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In, out. In, out. Breathe in peace and calm. Breathe out any worries and stress. In, out. In, out. Put aside all your busyness and stress just for the next few minutes at least. This time is for you. As you breathe, notice the little pause between your in and out breaths. As you continue to breathe at your own rate, see if you can smooth over these pauses so that the air becomes a continuous flow. Relax more with each breath. Let every one of your muscles relax. Relax. Let go of any tightness and tension. Relax. Relax. Allow yourself to completely let go. Let the floor or your chair take your weight. Feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the floor, down into a deeper sense of relaxation. Deeper, deeper. When you hear any sounds, connect with your body and allow these sounds to wash over you and open yourself to the healing energies. Relax, deeper and deeper. Relax. As we approach the depths of winter, we reach the winter solstice, the time when the sun appears to stand still for around 4 days. There's a natural longing for the light to return to our lives. We light candles and fires and light up our surroundings with bright decorations. But this time is also a time of waiting and hope and preparation for the future. It's a time when nature seems to withdraw and rest. Animals sleep more, and the sap in plants and trees sinks deep down into the earth, ready to renew its energy and strength before re-emerging in the spring. It's a time to withdraw and to rest. It's a time for us too to rest. The long dark evenings give us a chance to take stock of our lives, to go deep inside ourselves, knowing that however wild and stormy the conditions are outside, there's always a still flame of light and love burning in our hearts. Take your consciousness now deep down inside your body, to your heart center, and see the flame of light that is burning there. Strengthen and nurture it. See that flame. Concentrate on that flame. Strengthen that flame. As the year draws to a close, look back over the past year and acknowledge what's gone right for you, the progress you have made, the lessons you have learned, and the happy memories you have to treasure. Let go of any unhappy memories and experiences and resolve to move forward. Every day is a chance to start again, new and fresh. Let your thoughts wander over what you resolve to do in the coming year, your thoughts for the future. Resolve to make the most of life every single day, whatever faces you, and see the best in every person and situation. Let those thoughts wander. Relax and let the thoughts wash over you. Feel safe, warm, and protected. Feel safe. Drift with these thoughts. Now it's time to return to the room, gradually and slowly, and to ground and reconnect. But stay with that feeling of peace and love in your heart. Send the light and warmth from the flame in your heart around your body, filling it with healing and love. Let that light surround you and protect you, and take it with you into your daily life, giving you strength and love and happiness in the coming year. Then project that light out to everyone in the room, and then beyond to the world outside, and to all the people and places in the world who need it. Send out that light. Love, healing, protection. when you are ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the room, feeling energized and fully awake.